So if we look first at the examination procedure, you may well be aware that until 2008, the UK IPO did raise objections on the basis of earlier marks. So I think it was a far more serious issue until the change in 2008, because up till then you needed to try to overcome the objection based on an earlier mark, either by attacking the mark, threatening to attack it, requesting consent, and or arguing that the marks are not similar. Obviously, if you reply to the examination report requesting a telephone hearing, there will be a delay whilst the case is passed to the hearings section, and whilst they schedule a date for the telephone hearing. Then when the hearing takes place, there'll be further time granted to deal with any objections which are maintained. So I think if your application is problematic and you expect to encounter issues that may, for example, require evidence or further written arguments, it's certainly worth requesting a telephone hearing. And I would say that even if you're unable to obtain or waiting for instructions from your client, rather than replying to the examiner saying, we need more time, I think sometimes that putting in a telephone hearing request is a better way of putting the application into a kind of limbo, pending client instructions.